Tired of the invisible music barrier between your computer and your iPhone? Let's break down how to get your favorite tunes from your PC or laptop onto your iPhone, so you can jam out anywhere. First up, the most common method, using iTunes on Windows or Finder on a Mac. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. If it's your first time connecting, you might see a prompt on your iPhone asking to trust the computer. Tap Trust and enter your passcode. On your computer, open iTunes or Finder. You'll see your iPhone appear in the sidebar. Click on it. Now, navigate to the music section within your iPhone settings on your computer. Make sure the sync music option is checked. You can choose to sync your entire music library, or just specific playlists, artists, or albums. Select the music you want to transfer. Once you've made your selections, hit the sync or apply button. Your music will start transferring to your iPhone. This might take a little, depending on how much music you're moving. Once the sync is complete, open the music app on your iPhone. Your newly added songs should be there, ready for you to enjoy. For those looking for alternative ways, there are also third-party apps available. These often offer more flexibility, like transferring music wirelessly or without using iTunes. Finder. Simply search your app store for file transfer or music transfer apps. Many of these apps will guide you through a similar process of connecting your phone and then dragging and dropping your music files or selecting them from your computer's library to send to your iPhone. And there you have it. Your iPhone is now loaded with your favorite soundtracks. Happy listening.